Is AttaPoll really a great way to earn instant PayPal cash, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different free ways to make money online, and one app many of you asked me about is AttaPoll, and in this AttaPoll review I will give you an inside look, show both the pros and the cons so you know exactly what to expect and if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log in and show you around the app, let's start by going over who can join, because AttaPoll is an app where you can take paid service. I'll show all that inside. There's another way you can earn also, but you can join from many different countries. They do not say exactly which countries. From what I can understand, it is in a lot of different countries, but the only way to really know for sure is to go to the App Store or Google Play in your country and see if it's available. If you can download it, then you can join it, and you can download it, as you can see on the website, both for Android devices through Google Play and through the App Store for iOS devices. But let me now then log in and show you inside so you can see if it's even worth it. I am now inside the AttaPoll app, and it is quite easy to use. Once you log in, you will just see first that you have a bunch of different surveys. I just want to make one thing clear though, that when you sign up, you do need to give your phone number and verify that phone number. You will not get access to the paid service until after you've done that. So that's just something you need to be aware of. If you do not feel comfortable about that, then this is not the right app for you. Just wanted to make that clear. Also, once you join, what I experienced anyways was that at first there was only like one or two very low paying surveys, but this was actually profile surveys, and they have a different color. You can see there's different colors in the side, and they didn't pay much, but you actually got paid, and usually they take like less than a minute to do this profile survey. And as soon as I had taken one or two of those, I started getting access to higher paying surveys. You can see the currency will be in the currency of the country you are located in. So that's why you can see mine is currently not in dollars. But you can see more or less exactly how long the survey takes. You can see how much you will get, and sometimes you even get a small reward equivalent of around 1 cent just for starting surveys. So even if you do not qualify, sometimes you actually do get a reward. But other than that, it just works exactly like any other survey app or site. You just choose a survey, you answer the questions, and if you qualify, you complete it, you will get the reward, you will get it into your account. And if you do not qualify, you can just try the next one. And as it is with most survey sites or apps, then how many surveys and how much you will get paid per survey will vary a lot from country to country. So that's why you might see a lot more surveys than me, why you might see a lot less, why you might see a different currency, why you might see different rewards. All that will depend on your location. So I just wanted to make that clear also. But this is the main way to earn. There is one more way where you can earn. We'll go over that a little bit later. Let's first talk about how you can get your earnings out. So at the bottom you can see a menu, and there's also one called balance, and there you can see exactly what payout options and how much you have earned so far. The exact payout threshold will also vary from country to country. For example, if I click PayPal, I can see how much I need. I have not reached it quite yet. I will record another video with payment proof when I reach this, but these are the payout options where I live. This can vary a little bit depending on the country you live in, but in most countries, PayPal and Revolut is ways to get paid in cash, and then also you can donate to charities if you prefer that. And they do offer instant PayPal once you reach the payout threshold, which is definitely something that I like. So that means that you will get your earnings very fast. The exact payout threshold can vary from country to country. Where I live, it is around $4 currently. It might be a little bit more, it might be a little bit less in your country. But overall, quite good payout options. The payout threshold is also not too high, and they do pay out fairly quickly once you reach the payout threshold. So that's all great. But there's also one more way where you can earn, and I want to go over that because that's a little bit unusual, or the terms for this way of earnings are a little bit unusual. So I just also want to show that because it can be an option for all, but it's not a good option for all. So let's just go over that also. So at the bottom, you can see that you can invite friends, and this is very normal for survey apps, that you can invite other friends and then you can earn a commission and they can earn a commission, and that's all very fine. And I also invite people to survey apps and survey sites that I actually do recommend. The thing here, the conditions, you can read the conditions, and they're a little bit confusing, because if you go to the conditions, then you can see that this will only apply to referred users that are in the same country as you signed up in. This is very unusual and not very user-friendly for a survey app. And that's just one thing to be aware of. However, where it becomes confusing is that what they actually say on the website is quite different. So let me just close down the app and then I'll show you what they actually say about this, what they call ambassador program on the website, and then we can talk about what's actually really going on here. So on the website, they have more information, and there you can see if your friend's country is one of these countries, then how much you will get, and your friend also gets a bonus for signing up. So that means that not only can you earn if you invite others, the person you invite will also get a bonus, but what bonus they will get will depend on the country you live in. And you can see from this, when they have this, like the different countries and things like that, it kind of looks like you can invite people from other countries also, and also you see you just invite people and then you will earn and they will also get a bonus, but only an additional these incentives if you are in one of these countries and all that. It's just a little bit confusing, because like, so can you actually earn from people in other countries or not? I'm not sure based on this. I'm not even sure if you will get a bonus if you join through an invitation link from someone in another country or not. I actually don't know, but I will leave my invitation link below, and then we'll find out if anyone chooses to join through it, if you actually want to use AttaPoll after watching this review. Personally, I think this is what I like the least about AttaPoll. There are some things about their terms that they're just not completely clear and transparent about. So we will find out there. So it looks like if you're one of these countries anyways, you can actually get a bonus if you join through my invitation link. I will leave that below there. You can also join from other countries, but as mentioned, I cannot guarantee if you'll get this bonus or not, because they are really not clear about that. So it's a little bit confusing. That's just how it is. I just wanted to explain that because you might be considering inviting others, and there are some things there that I cannot say for sure will work or not, or if you can actually give them the bonuses or not. We will find out. I will make a video, a follow-up, once some people have maybe joined through my invitation link, and then I'll talk a little bit more about that so you know exactly what to expect. So to sum it up, I think AttaPoll is a user-friendly survey app. I like that inside the settings, actually, I forgot to mention that, but you can even choose the length of the service you want to have shown. So if you only want surveys that are shorter than 5 minutes, you can also do that. That's an option I haven't actually seen in a lot of survey apps. However, of course, the shorter surveys, the lower the reward also. So personally, I recommend to just let them show you all the surveys, as many as possible, and then you can choose yourself which ones you want to take and not. But overall, I do like the user friendliness. I do like the payout options. They can vary from country to country, but overall it is offering great payout options, a fairly low payout threshold, and they do process the payments quite fast. There just are some things about the terms they're not completely clear about. For example, this whether you can get a bonus or not when you join through a referral link from someone from another country or not. And I think that is something that is lacking, more transparency like that. Also, the rewards are decent, but they are not among the highest paying survey apps in my experience so far. But it is a platform that is legit. You can earn by taking paid surveys, and if you want to give it a go, I will leave my link below so you can check that out. But I would definitely recommend that you also make sure to use other survey apps, or make sure to use other free online earning methods to earn more. But I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.